Wanna come and get your refreshing cold ice pop? Hey, cold ice pop! Yeah, cold ice pop! La la, yes, brother.
Hey, can you draw a circle?
1, that's absolutely fine. Buddy, what color is it?
The red-colored one. Red, yes, that's perfectly fine.
Excuse me, red is finished. Should I make another color?
Man, give us the red color or we're going.
Okay, wait, I'll give you the red one.
Here you go, brother.
Man, this is definitely a pond flavor.
Oh, mother.
Beetle leaf flavor.